everyone, welcome to Brain Hive Academy, your one-stop for innovative workspace. On today's section, we are going to talk about, or we're going to deal on the topic, root of quadratic equation, part 2. From our part 1, we solved a equation which they said the equation is that is 2x square minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0, and they said the roots are alpha cube plus beta cube. So from symmetric, so let's take solution. We have 2x square minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. So the roots are this. From symmetric law, when you have alpha cube plus beta cube, will be equals to alpha plus beta in cube minus 3 alpha beta bracket open alpha plus beta bracket close. Recall that alpha plus beta is minus b over a, and alpha beta is c over a. Substitute this. So if you call this equation 1, you can call this equation 2. So substitute alpha plus beta as minus b over a, alpha beta as c over into this equation 2. So if you do that, we have minus b over a in cube minus 3 times c over a times alpha beta minus b over a. Then this is our equation. If you can remember from quadratic equation, which is a x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So this is our a is 2, b is minus 3, and c is plus 6. So replace them here. If b is what? Minus 3. So we have minus bracket minus 3 in cube over a. This cube is also affected, that is 2 raised to power what? 3 minus 3 times c is 6 over 2 times minus, and b is minus 3 over 2. So minus times minus will give you plus. 3 raised to power 3, that is 3 cube, will give you 27. That is 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. So we have 27 over 2 raised to power 3, that is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, will give us 8. So we have 8 minus, this can cancel this, that is 3 divided by 2 here 1, 2 into 3 will give you 2 divided by 6. So how many we have? We have 3. So we have 3 times 3 minus times minus will give you plus 3 over 2. So from this part, we can have 3 times 3 is what? Will give us that we have 27 over 8 minus 3 times 3 will give you 9. 9 times 3 will give you 27. So we have 27 over 2. So you look for the LCM. LCM will be 8. 8 divided by 8 will give you 1. 1 times 27 will give you 27 minus 8 divided by 2 will give you 4. 4 times 27. So we have 4 times 27 will give you 108. So we have 108, which will be 27 minus 108. 27 minus 108, which will give us minus 81. We have minus 81 over 8. Therefore, alpha plus beta will give us minus 81 over 8. And alpha beta, remember, is what? Minus is c over a. Our c is what? Our c is 6 over but recall that is in cube, that is alpha cube. So 6 cube over 2 cube. 6 cube means 6 times 6 times 6 over 2 times 2 times 2. So what do we have? We have 6 cube. 6 times 6, 36 times 6, 36 times 6 will give you 216. That is 6 cube is 216. So we have 216 over 2 times 2, that is 8. So therefore we have alpha plus in cube will give us minus 81 over 8, while alpha cube and beta cube will give us minus, so will give us 216 over 8. That is the final answer. This is how to solve root of quadratic what equation. There's nothing to do, it's very simple. So follow the steps one after the other. Then don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, you will see my new upload. Comment whatever place you have question, ask from the comment. We will connect on live. Thank you very much.